My in-laws, you're welcome. We have gathered just to discuss on how to get things right. Let us put our pens behind. And let's talk about how to bury Rosa. She left a family. She had children. Ekene, you were the first son of the family. And her first son, Emego Kita. So tell us, how are we going to give your mother a befitting burial?
Nayo. Onye jikwa ego kwa nna ọ bụrụ dị ọkpala bụ.
Ijoma, keep quiet and let men talk about how to give Rosa befitting burial. As we all know, our in-law here took the corpse to the mortuary and he paid. And both of you are the men in the house. And this is your burial. So, what are you telling us?
Emma, you asked me a question before. I was trying to explain to you before you interrupted my wife. The thing is, I am a befitting for now. Because you were talking about befitting burial. Let's be talking about burial. In essence, what I'm trying to say is, for now, as it stands, I'm expecting money. Everybody knows I'm expecting money.
Exactly.
So now, as it stands now, there is no money anywhere. Me, I don't have any money at the moment. Masika, I made the burial. No. I don't have the money now.
Now.
Until what I'm expecting will arrive. Then I will know how I can commence on it. Because that time it was happening, I was telling this boy, I go on a field. All everything he says is that he has grey hair. Papa had grey hair at the age of 20.
And that's why we are not here for that.
Is that what you are talking about? That's what you are now. Look at where we are. Our mother is nowhere.
Let's talk on how to give Mama the fitting burial.
I'm going to get a big fitting now. I need to go to the burial. When we get to the bridge, you know I will cross it.
Well, I believe my mom left people behind, including me. Yeah? So therefore, I will buy the casket and bury my mother-in-law.
Ogo with you on here. Where is your go? Where is your man?
Don't worry for maybe, huh?
Ogo with you on here. Ekene go now. Is your go? Okay, I take it on. So he has promised to provide a casket. So who else is talking?
No. I'll provide all the drinks and food we use to bury my mother.
That will serve well. You cannot tell them what they keep promising.
Don't worry, just go ahead.
Ego gonna be you can be Obia. Thank you very much.
Nani, I will bring decorators to come and decorate the venue at this compound, including the room where my man's cup will be placed.
I got to get a man now.
One of my men, we are going to dig Mama's grave, and it's for the used bottles and plates. We are going to pick them and clear everything. If there's something else you want me to do, then we're men's.
Oh, you have said it all. And we have not talked of the canopies.
Nani, I'll be the one to bring that.
Oh. Ekene, I am waiting for you. all of us have said something. Me and my wife, we are going to provide the kola nuts, the okwoji, angara. I can provide the hamon and wunyem. Then what do you want to bring into this?
If I wasn't duped, what's all these things? We will give my mother a befitting burial. But as it stands now, there is nothing I can do. Mana, Kosinabe is my mother that died. I'm going to put her in the gym.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Is your father home?
That one. He's inside.
Tell him I've come here to see him.
Odekonam. Okoma.
Hey.
Hey. Okoma. Okoma, I am.
This one is here smoking Igbo. Hey. Should end up nowadays. Ekene, are you home?
I'm in the mosque. I'm praying Alakoba. Welcome. Please come and sit down.
No need of sitting down. I just have come to tell you. To come and walk in my farmland.
I don't understand.
You didn't hear me or what?
Yes, I didn't.
I said I've come to tell you to come and walk in my farmland.
I should come and walk in your farmland.
Yes.
Nah. You know, it's good when someone insults you, you insult that person back. Because since you know me in this village, I have never insulted you. So you left your house to walk down here to tell me to come and work for you. As what now? As your laborer.
Ekene, is there an insult to ask you to come and work for me?
Of course it's an insult. You know you've been feeling too big. I've just been watching you. What's the meaning of I should come and work for you? If I go to Dabaka, I should come and work for you. Please don't try that again, no. Don't ever in your life try that again. As what now?
Ekene, are you talking to me?
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking
to you. Can you not see that your mother's funeral is around the corner?
Are you the one to come and do the burial?
And you have not contributed anything regards to that, have you?
You see?
And
so this is where it's leading to. You're trying to mock me. You think I will not contribute? Is that what you think?
Okay.
I will still contribute.
Okay.
I will still contribute.
I am offering you a work now, and you're bragging. You're making
what do you mean I'm bragging? Don't try that again, no.
Ekene, if you are not interested, definitely I'm going to look for somebody to do it.
Go and give it to somebody else to do it. What nonsense. Can you imagine you just walk all the way, come go and work for me. A whole me to go to your farmland to work. As what?
A whole you. A whole you, and you cannot contribute one kobo. For now you've not contributed anything.
And you said a whole you. Chalo can manage the house to see here, poor because go home and don't come here again and talk nonsense.
Ekene, I will leave.
Work for you. You come and work for me.
Don't bother. Go back to your bed. Sleep. Go and sleep. Then after sleeping,
because I have peace of mind.
You smoke your Igbo.
You're just very wicked. My friend, go home.
Then after this Igbo smoking, see, these are trees. Very soon they will start bearing money as food for you. You will begin to plug them. You start plugging them to solve your problems. Okay. I will leave.
Okay. I will change it.
But let me tell you.
I will change it for you. Go home now. You're talking to somebody.
But let me tell you something.
Want to listen to you.
You must contribute to the funeral of your mother, whether you like it or not. I'm going.
Go home. Say I'm going.
I'm going, Ekene.
I was feeling unnecessarily too big. Because network people are pricing down your land in data. It's just giving him too much leverage. very stupid man.
Come on, you for reason this thing. Now you for reason this thing. For it, you need the money more. Why did you reject it?
Is it me you're talking to?
You for collect this money. You need the money. I don't know why you're very lazy.
Do you know you're very useless?
Me, I'm useless. Do
you know you're very useless?
Yes, I'm useless.
So you shamelessly went to wake your father up. I'm even talking about that one that you didn't even ask him why he came to see me.
So I'll be the one to go and work for you.
If I hear your voice as I'm talking to you now, you will know yourself.
What will you do?
Are you not supposed to go and do the work?
So I will do the work for you and you eat, Abi. I will do the work for you and you... Nah.
So it's me that will do the work and you eat?
Yes, Nabi. Okay.
When you're supposed to do the work and bring to your father. You're telling your father to go and work. I said it that this starter I've been hearing while I was inside. It's someone's brain that is tying.
Nah.
So it's me that will do it.
I'm the one to work. Nah, you the fuck up. I don't decide the wrong for you. The fuck up.
Okay, it's fine.
Which kind of lazy man is this? You are very lazy. Very lazy man. I know the wrong for you. You be lazy man. Can't sit down.
This is what
I'm saying. Which kind of lazy man? I will disown you. You go on. Very lazy thing. Nah. Which kind of father be this?
Oso. Onye mebiela m ụwa, onye mebia.
Somebody.
Mama?
Somebody. Who gave you what you're eating?
I bought it.
You bought pepper soup with your money?
Someone gave me.
Okay. Someone gave you? Are you stupid? Is it that someone gave you or you bought with your money? Which of them?
Someone bought it. Someone gave it to me. Someone bought it for me.
For you. Okay. That person you're talking about, is he a he or a she? Is he a male? Is he a male or a female?
A female.
Hey. A female. Did you cultivate her farmland? So I don't get it. A female bought pepper soup for you. Neloli again is Somadina. Eh? You forget. My eyes are on you. My eyes are on you. Suzuki, save a sister. Someone bought pepper soup for Somadina. Better say nylon. Ewu.
Mom, see what's going on.
Is it not your stupid sister? You see Somadina in this house, she is biting more than she can chew. And then get me Ife. Nonsense girl. You will still have to explain to me that who gave you that stupid thing you're eating.
Mom, see why they para like this now? She's a big girl. She's old enough to take care of herself. If she buys anything for herself, you won't hear many. Leave it now. She bought something for herself. You allow her. Mom, see, that reminds me. That your husband. Mom, he didn't work out. I don't know because on a mecha konye man.
What is it?
They swear for your husband.
What is it?
Nigel came to this house this morning to offer him a job. And guess what? Can you believe that this man rejected it?
Gene!
Huh?
My husband rejected a job.
By 10:30 a.m., this man was still sleeping. Nigel offered him a job to go clear his farmland. He rejected it.
You, Ekene, my own husband, rejected a job. Is he okay?
The most annoying part is that he even told Nigel that why would he come to his house to insult him? Eho him.
Eho him. Eho him. Ekene said eho him. Ekene neji Roshishi. Calling himself eho. What makes Ekene eho? Eh? You see that job? Thank God you mentioned it to me. Because I know my husband. Ekene wouldn't have mentioned this to me. But it's okay. We are going to pick the job.
You see why I disown this man? Are you sure this man is my father?
Yeah.
Are you sure this man is my father?
You
You know that I'm the people say that I'm lazy, but Imam, like the way Obiora said that I took after my father. Because I don't know, what the inheritance, is it that I'm lazy or I don't?
If I slap you, I don't blame you. We are now discussing. We are now discussing. See, if you're lazy, personally, yes, I know you're a very lazy boy. The only thing you know how to do is this, that is the only thing you know how to do. Don't bring my husband into this. Are you mad? Listen, we are going to pick that job.
Yeah?
Yes, we are going to pick that job because we need this money. We need to buy garden eggs for the people that are coming. We need to buy garden eggs for our family that is coming in our name. So we are going to pick that job and we must pick it and we must farm. Oh yeah, let's go.
You know, pick the job.
See, if you try this, I will slap you. If you go there, oh yeah, Hanlele, let's go.
Do you know how much I bought this clothes?
If I slap you very soon now, you will tell me a whole you. Even though you want to say wife, that's him a whole. So. Very soon you go home a whole you. Makine to if I slap you now, come on, so I definitely Julius. Everybody a whole, even you a whole.
Searching for solution. Papa Jelly, seek for solution.
No reason something.
What are we reasoning?
If we collect this job from Nanye Julius, who are you going to do the job with?
What sort of question is that? Are you not a human being? You, of course, I will do the job with you.
What if all those Umo Yom Kita, if they see me clearing farm, what are they going to see? Now I'm a fine boy now. They go to okay with the watermelon. You need to go and call your partner in crime. You both know how to do this thing.
Hey! I don't have anybody at all. Somadin I don't have. You Onyeka I don't have. How be that thing? Onyeka, you will not follow me to the farm. You will not follow me.
It is now going.
It is now going.
See, it's not as if I know you need this money very well.
You need it.
Yes. So you need the money. What we are talking about right now is let's go there and get this job. Then you start negotiating who you're going to work with.
No problem, it's okay. Let's go and get the job first. Let's go. Let's go. I will slap you. I will slap you. Forget that we are here. I will slap you. Nigerians. My son Onyeka here told me that you offered my husband a job to play in farmland and he rejected it. Hey, my people, don't be offended. I want the job. I can do it. My son and I, we can do it perfectly. Oh? Give me.
Nine. You can do it. Nine. She can do it alone.
Ijoma.
Sir?
It was the work I gave to your husband, but he rejected it. And I did that just to help him because of this barrier. But he said no. It's still available. You can take it.
Hey, we can take it.
Take it.
Thank you very much, Nai. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll do it.
You know my land.
I know.
It's not just that big, that small one. Just go and clear it. And I'm going to give you 5,000 after the clearing.
5,000 naira only.
5,000 naira. 5,000 naira. Ha. Nai Julius, you check it now. 5,000 naira is very small. For that, hey, Biko, no. Okay, you know what is going to happen? Just give us 10,000 naira. We'll do it very well.
Ijoma.
Sir?
I don't have more than 5,000 to pay. So if you want that job, I'm going to pay 5,000.
Nai Julius, 10,000. The 10,000 naira my mom is even saying is small. Pay her 20,000 naira. at least it's something. I'll tell you if I water.
Imagine. I can see that you people are not serious. Okay.
Cheluno. Oh, nine. You not listen to this boy. Oh, very much. No mass. Listen to me. Oh, listen to me. Just remember, I need the money. You know we have something to do with the money. People nine. Oh, okay. You know what is going to happen. 7,000. Just give me 7,000.
Ijoma, I'm going to pay 7,000 because of you. Ordinarily, what I have to pay, or what I have in mind paying there is just 5,000. But because you are involved, let me give you 7,000 after the clearing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Hi.
Now continue with the job.
Oh, thank you, sir.
You will not.
Okay, Mpueba.
Thank you, sir. Nice. Thank you.
Before my hand, you should have stood your ground on the 10,000 naira you negotiated with him initially.
Onyeka, are you stupid? I should have stood my ground. Are you stupid? Can't you see that the man is not willing to pay? Do you want me to lose the job? Eh?
So you see, that's why if I try make I give you all these things now, you realize I try disrespect my mother. Mama, you know that this work is not easy. And he knows that the farmland that you are going to farm on, it's not an easy one. And you accepted 7,000 naira. Mama, why now? Mom, see, nah.
Onyeka, calm down now. Calm down. Don't worry, I'm going to convince your father. I can convince your father now. He will join me.
You convince my father?
Yes.
And you are hoping on my father? You know that one is -1. Onya aborogodi, kotogodi, makes everything now. Papa Mabro, all -1. Think of someone better that you're going to use. You are calling my father. Listen, Mama, I don't want you to lose this job. I don't want you to lose this job. I know you people need this money very well. So just think of somebody else. Probably you can just, call on your partner in crime. You people can just do this thing.
Hey. You're right, though. Hey, I can convince Somadina. She can join me.
Convince her. I don't want you to lose this job. At least 7,000 naira will go a long way for you people.
Let's go first.
Mom, see. I want to reason you something.
Hi. Reasoning again. What do you want to reason, Onyeka? I thought it's when you smoke all these green things, you know how to reason. You've not smoked anything. You're very clear. And you've reasoned the other side. You're reasoning here again. What do you want to reason?
See, when I'm talking about reasoning now, it look like I don't know what I'm saying.
Okay, what do you want to
look like I don't know what I'm saying.
What are you saying?
Okay. You agreed on 7,000 naira.
Yes.
Have you gone to survey the kind of land that you want to farm on? Do you know if he's from here to Amajeke? You need to go and check the kind of land that you want to work on and know if he's worth 7,000. That man is a dubious man.
Hey! Onyeka, are you the one that reasoned something reasonable?
No,
you're the one that reasoned this thing. Since I know you, this is the best thing you've reasoned so far. Hey! Watermelon!
Mama, you're trying to insult me now.
I'm not insulting you.
You're trying to insult me.
I am just surprised that you reasoned something reasonable. Hey! Watermelon, no massa. I can now call you that. Oye! Don't worry. I know how to bribe you. I'll give you 2 minutes today for reasoning something reasonable.
You give me 2 minutes.
My Onyi!
2 minutes.
2, 3, 7.
Let's go now.
Let's go. Hey! Onyi!
Let's do it here now. Can you hear about
Chirinu now, wait.
Baby, dear, Let's take quick one here. If I know one corner, if we take it here, fresh air will enter your body, it will enter my body. Even in our everywhere will be smooth.
I want us to go to a hotel.
Hotel?
A hotel is better. Canal AC.
Which AC? Which AC that is preferred than this natural AC God is giving us? I'll just put it from the middle. I'll put it from the middle. Oh, what carry glucose?
Okay, but if you want us to do it, buy me now. You give me 3K. 0 kobo. It's your family charges, so it's your family charges. I can leave POS.
Get him 3,000. Good afternoon, good morning. In fact, good night. Everywhere good. Good
night, kill you there. Somadina! Hey, why did you scare us? Why did you scare us for goodness sake? You know me now. No, my job moment. I'm not catch you on phone now. Chinikimi! Somadina! What are you doing with this idiot? Somadina! So you've turned yourself to a prostitute. Somadina, you open your leg anywhere you see. You open your legs anywhere you see, even on the road. Somadina, you open, you give anything. Hey! Leave it for me like that. Apolomiano. Eh? Leave me alone, Wanya. After all, it's the same thing you're enjoying. That's what me too. I am benefiting from my darling Anokute. Baby! Hey! Somadina, if you Somadina, of all the people in this village, you did not see anybody to open your legs for. Is this idiot? This Anyokute that have not even brushed his teeth, that have not even taken his bath. If I slap you, idiot! Mom, see your choice, so yeah, by choice. Mom, come in and be a team so. Mom, it is none of your business, eh? After all, this is the same thing you did with my father when you were 14 years old. My brother, Ejimam, where you Mom, see, Imana, Muna no kute mefa. Obanye, and we can mortgage ma. We can mortgage for the should be ashamed of yourself too. Look. Somadina, you, I will kill you today. And when I figure more Diego, when he Mommy, happy. Mommy, let's try this one. I'm waiting. Somadina, you! I don't put that is very irritating. Somadina, I will kill you today. Somadina, Telu, I'm coming for you. Don't beat her. Please, I beg you. Because Akubunia, no glucose. Why I call more? How will I manage? Somadina, you cannot bring shame to this family. You cannot bring shame to me. You want my enemies to laugh at me. It's not going to happen, Somadina. It's not going to. Can I be Ikenna?
Again, what is it? You're making noise.
I'm making noise, Ikenna.
Again, say Somadina. Why are you shouting?
I'm shouting. Ikenna, I am shouting. So you're here, smoking away your life when your house is on fire, and you're saying that I'm shouting.
Which house is on fire? Is it not this one I'm seeing here? Where is the fire?
You can see anything because you're smoking.
Maybe the smoke is affecting you now.
You are smoking when Anyokute is squashing your daughter on the road, village road, squashing your daughter, and you're here smoking, telling me that I'm shouting.
Which Anyokute?
Is there any other Anyokute you know? Is there anyone, if not the village drunk?
Anyokute. It's the one you go for. Well, it doesn't warrant you shouting. Yes, it doesn't warrant you just going about the village shouting. What do you mean Anyokute? Is Anyokute not a human being? Eh? Or are you the one living my daughter's life now? If she wants to squash Anyokute, is it you that will come and do it for her? Allow her to sleep with anything sleepable. As far as she's getting something from it. Something must be gotten somewhere.
Ikenna
what? What's Ikenna?
Ikenna, is that all you have to say?
That's all I have to say.
Hey!
I don't like the fact that you're just shouting. Like one big abomination happened. During your own time, didn't you see all these traders, all these marketers, all these people coming for you? But you left everybody and settled for ordinary Igbo smoker like me. And you're just saying it like your own life is perfect.
I don't blame you.
Eh?
I don't blame you at all. Mananeka Nwage. Ikenna, let me tell you. You see that farmland? We are going to work there. You see that job? We are going to collect it. I heard you rejected it. You rejected the job that is going to give us money. But you see that job? I have collected it.
As a man,
I have collected it and
come and drag me and go there.
Of course I'll drag you. If you weren't that will drag you, Ikenna will drag you. That job,
don't be doing this, so. Don't be doing this.
What will happen?
If you see where I was now, I was seeing so many things.
You can see so many things. You can see so many things.
I don't like it too.
You can see so many things. Don't like it. Don't like it. I am telling you, I am your wife and you will do as I said. You must.
Keep all now. Come and drag me, let me go.
If tomorrow we are going to work there. But let me tell you, see that farm? Come and
drag me and go now.
Come
and drag me and go.
Where is Sabadna? Sabadna! Can we take a bath?
That she did this. I was even thinking something happened somewhere.
This is my inheritance. As the first son, every child of the Lord, the hustle for job. This is my inheritance.
Yes, I'm taking a break.
I don't understand. We need to work so that we can go and collect our money from Nine colleague.
Please, you can walk. Let me take a break. Guinea. Which one is you need to walk? Let me take a break. Maybe he died by as him gone too soon. He died by family with his wife.
You don't have to do this now. You don't have to do this. We are the only person that have not paid for the uniform.
What do you mean? Must we wear uniform? No, because people are making this uniform a necessity. Is there a must wear uniform on the door of the barrier?
Can you hear yourself? No, can you hear yourself, Ikenna? You're the first son, so you're supposed to wear the uniform.
Nah, I'm dancing because I'm a uniform can get jibu whenever. See me, please. I just want to take a rest. Do your own portion. See, you still have play. If you finish, leave this small place for me. I'll do it. Everybody will go home.
Don't try this, Ikenna. Okay. No, Ikenna, don't try this. I don't want to get mad at you.
Meaning what? You want to fight me?
Ikenna.
You want to fight me? What's that one?
Okay. This is how you make money. This is how you will make money, Ikenna. You will not see my teeth.
Have you even asked it? Come, what is even keeping this woman? Or is she not where we're supposed to eat? Is it only to walk without eating?
Hey, let's walk first now.
No.
Here,
No, I don't function like this. You know me too well. I eat, I walk. You can't just tell me to be walking without eating. Is it not from there we started clearing to this place? Just know how to call her to bring food here. I'm not doing any work except I eat.
You've not eaten and you want to smoke. You've not eaten, you want to smoke, Ikenna. What kind of man are you? I'll do my own, I'll do your own.
That's what I'm saying. Go and do your own. Go and do your own.
Every time you're just lazy for nothing.
That's the one I will not.
You're just lazy.
That's the one me I don't want to hear. That's the one I don't want to hear. Just do your work peacefully and don't involve me. Come on, because if I think here now, they tell me, hey, other and all, don't so soon. He died when family with his wife. You're right.
Don't worry, I'll do your own, I'll do my own. Takwam nozo.
What's that?
When he had you one, yeah. You didn't miss anyone but what is on can you been done? Oh. But don't even want to talk and for. Teresa, where are you and the food?
You called.
What's going on? You don't have the food?
I'm still cooking.
I told you I want to take food to Ijoma and Ikenna and the farm. They are working there together.
I thought you said Ikenna refused to do the work.
That was what they said, but now they are working together.
Nah, Ikenna and his family, they are very lazy. I'm even surprised that Ijoma came to ask you for that work afterwards.
Okay.
Okay.
What can we do?
Nah. Don't worry. I'll take the food to them myself when I am done cooking. Very soon I'll finish, huh?
That's very good of you. Very, very good of you. In that case, let me go and see my sick brother, who has been lying sick all his while. Ever since his wife died, that young man has been down. I don't know whether he wants to join Rosa.
Ah, God forbid.
What do you want me to say?
Nothing will happen to him. Nothing.
Okay. Go. Be fast, please.
I will.
Let me go and get prepared.
Okay. Please greet him. I'll go and see him later myself.
Okay, man. Be very fast, please.
I will, I will.
Ndewo na ọlụ.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Hey. Anastasia. So you have finally remembered you left some slaves here to be working for you.
Yeah.
I don't understand. Is it not one flax I'm seeing here? This food, is it for morning or afternoon or night?
It's afternoon food that I brought.
You brought after. So what happens to morning food?
Biko. Since morning we've been working for you. Since morning, and you're just bringing 1 kilo of food.
You're supposed to have eaten in the morning before coming to the farm.
Can you imagine? We're supposed to have eaten since morning before coming to the farm. But we came here since morning and been working for you. You came and just brought afternoon food. Madam, please, tell me now. Just go back and bring my morning food and night food. Because if you look closely, you see that this work will last a night. So you can't just come here and just drop afternoon food and say you came since morning. Go and bring the morning food and night food.
Ike, are you done with the work?
Chelo, Obagona Mpale. What is your business with my smoke? No, what is your business with my smoke? Will you stand before me to be asking me, is it smoke I'm smoke? Meaning what? Please, just respect yourself and go home and bring our food. Bring our morning food and night food.
Nico, you just imagine the food you brought. It's even small. You didn't even bring water, nothing. So after eating the food, no water, nothing.
Okay.
What was the meaning of that? What is Chineke God? Why are you putting fear? Fear on the mezigin.
Fear na bagaba. Ihe ri fear. Oh, fear ka ejizugo.
Madam, bring fear forever because somebody is working. You didn't even bring
fear, not even with water. You not even give us water.
Be eating your food. Let me go and get you water. Water will not be the problem. Oh?
It's not fit to bring pounded yam and oha soup. You want to bring fear?
With big meat. This man is heartless.
Okay. Just do the job. Me, I'm done. I'm not doing anything.
I should just do the job. Ekene, don't try me. Don't try me. What's all this now? This one is not helping out. The woman is not helping out.
I'm not a mama and leave fear. But my anger is, why did she bring fear? When we are doing a job like this? Okay, let me not talk. Just leave this portion. This place I'm seated. I'm taking responsibility for it. This is the only place. Wherever I'm not now. If I finish, this is the only place I'll clear.
This is the only place you will clear.
And this is where I have my money.
The uniform is very important to me.
In this life, you don't know who is your real enemy. In this life, you don't know who is your real enemy.
The stupid one they call Ekene. Just smoking his head off. Lazy thing. Let me see how Nankoli will pay you if you don't finish that thing. You want me to feed you morning, afternoon, and night because of that farmland? What? Hey, Somadina. Hey! What is this world coming in? Somadina! Somadina! Hey! Somadina! Your parents are there working in the farm. and you're here opening your leg for this Amaokute that nobody knows where he comes from. Something is a ghost.
Yeah, Nenkoli. Now I can wait. Hapu Maka, leave me alone. Hapu Kwamo, I'm not like this. So.
Hey, somebody na. Mwami re urem putu. Bupwaso fia. Hey! Inukwa.
Nenkoli, let me ask you. What is your business in this whole thing? What is your business? Here.
Anyway, do I blame you? That was how Ekene and Ijoma were moving from one uncompleted building to the other, one bush end to the other, until Ijoma got pregnant. Hey, Ireka!
I will pretend as if I don't know it's my parents you're even talking about. But that one is not my business for now. It is not your business whom I choose to sleep with. Eventually, no way, Maya. Mancholi no na akukono. Mancholi no ni mafia, mancholi anywhere. Oh, he came called. Mbo heya, mbochie. Msa heya, mechie. What's the logi? It is none of your business.
Bagam.
Inugia.
Bagam.
I know Kuteba, no about my love of my life.
Oh,
baby.
The love of my life.
Yeah, Mwabugo the meme. Mwabugo the sweetheart. A little shock at them now. Now, let me tell you something. What's the logi? Okay. I'm not going to anywhere. I know where your anger is coming from. I'm you. I know you. You know where you were born. Imana this woman about and what wasn't me. Oh no, so where you are. That wasn't me now. So oh yeah, baby, wiggy. I can
Mommy, what are you going to do, Jordan?
Jealousy, jealousy. Oh, you jealousy.
Madam, go from here.
Give me finger.
Miss Abasago, Oya, went up one leg. Asa, let's continue. Can I be about Yanga attacking and keep us?
Thomas, what am I here? Because Iana no na son to you. That you are sleeping with Amaokute, the drunk. If you don't cause about that stinking fool. Now that waji away.
Hey, Ebere. I will not have you insult the love of my life.
Ewe.
Now no. Let me even ask you. Of what business of yours is that?
This is true. So it's actually true that you're sleeping with Amaokute, the village drunk. Because it's no longer a rumor, but pure truth. So, Madina.
And I don't think I owe you any explanation, madam. I don't owe you. No,
Baby. Hey, this is not... No, so Madina, you know I used to have your back. But you see this one, you don't try. You met Toria to fear. I know Kute kwa. And I saw go you. Hey, yes, this.
Chekwa. Hey, Gineka. Magiwakwa. You that is supposed to have my back as my bosom friend. Gineka. I thought you were my friend though. You are my bestie, go on my bosom friend, go on my manchi. At this point now, you will support me because we are talking about the love of my life. You are following Ebere to be against me. For what, one?
I can't do that.
Okay now, it's about the law now. Well, like I said before, it is nobody's business. Henceforth, see you again at Maggie. Even Magua, you know what we are now. No, call me out.
Somebody now, you are leaving us because you are telling you. Let her go. Let's fucking see.
This is very bad though. Hey! You are just useless here, beauty, just like Jesus. That. This is very bad. My sister, see, let me start going to my father's house.
Because of Samadna?
We've tried talking to her, but she don't want to listen. Pico, let's go.
Let me go. What is all this for crying out loud?
Go, you better go.
Wonder shall never see. Big go, bye-bye.
This is my inheritance. As the first son, the papa, the child of Lucy, the the hustle for job, this is my inheritance. As the first son, why? I beg the child of Lucy, like husband, like wife, their children don't come on. This is my inheritance. As the first son, I beg the child of Lucy. These people don't get to shame at all. This is my inheritance.
Hey! Hey!
I knew it! I said it! So you both thought I've gone far?
This is what we thought. We thought you have gone far.
Sure. Papa Jima, so you have been the one stealing from me. I knew it.
No,
I knew it.
Please,
Hey!
no.
Popsy? Hey, Chineke. Popsy, so you are monk? So you have been stealing with these people?
No, that's what I'm trying to say. I'm a first timer. Today I've not been.
Wait, how did you get the key to my room?
To your room.
Miracle.
The thing, our key is opening people's key. Me, I'm even wondering how it.
I said, how did you get the key to my room?
At your get it, these people, they duplicated your key. I told you. They duplicated your key. These people, they are hardened criminals. I told you people that every day is for the thief. And one day is for the owner of the house. They go no. No problem.
You duplicated my key.
See.
You sure these boys are Papa Jima, you duplicated my key.
Look, in fact, let's say the truth. Let me just say the truth. No, because look, the way she sees it now, you're trying to. It's them. They've been the ones stealing, both of them.
Don't even try.
This is the first time they attacked me.
There is no problem. I know what to do. I will go and report this matter to Mumuna.
No.
I will go and report. Let me, don't beg me. Don't beg me.
He just
took from me. He was stealing from me. Let it from me.
He went to the house, your room. I'm still a small girl. I'm still a small girl. Went to clean your room.
I'm still a small girl.
You're very stupid.
You are the one that caused this thing.
Were you not the one that told me she has gone far?
Ekene, look at you. Just go there and steal something. Go there, steal something, and you went there and you were wasting time.
I was trying to steal enough.
Steal enough. Obule say we, Malia. But just
you
steal.
Obuli call me Malia. Come on to look and make sure that she has gone far. You couldn't even see. That's what you caused it.
You're not smart. I keep saying it. Ekene, you're not smart. You're not smart. You're not smart. You were wasting time. Just do small job like this. Small job. I've been doing it. Someone has been doing it. They never one day caught us. Ordinary stealing, gas zone crayfish, gas zone car. You went there and you stay wasting time. Who knows if you went there and saw food and you stay eating food? Or even like that you went there to clean her room. It's very simple. And while cleaning, you try to pack some things that expire.
Come on, God, don't need to call down an hour. We are this guy for them because. Care for them now. They are not working and work out small size. No good.
I know, Kute.
So
you cannot even greet.
I don't have
your time this morning.
Well, calm down, he swear. What about my girlfriend, Somadina? What to carry glucose? One see so. Oh. The sweetest girl in this village. Butu, money I got one. Oh my buying one uncle. Butu and Tawa.
Wait, mommy. Are you sure of what you just told me?
You need to see the way they were just disgracing themselves. What? It was Onyeka that told me that they duplicated the key to our room. Ijoma and Somadina.
What a shame. Obviously, God, how long has this been going on?
I told you that someone was stealing our food stuff. I told you.
Yeah, I didn't really believe you because I thought because we have misunderstanding. You were saying it.
You know, my instinct never lies. You know how those people operate? They wait for us to go out. You know, when we took Papa to the hospital, on our way to the hospital, Mama just told me to go back home. And immediately I came back. I met Ekene. I caught him red-handed. Come and see the way he was just blabbing. That it was hunger. It was hunger that pushed him to our room. It was hunger that made him to open the gate. I was just astonished. Ekene, a thief.
What a shame. What is I wonder why my brother just chose to bring shame upon himself and his family. He doesn't want to go out there to work like a normal father, a normal man that loves his family, put food on their table. But instead, he'll be allowing his wife to use him, making noise, looking for trouble everywhere.
They are all lazy.
Of course. It is obvious. He is.
Daddy, you know, it is hard, very hard for people to believe that you two came from the same womb.
Of course, we came from the same womb. But you see, most times, firstborn are always used to clean the womb or to clear the road. They will come out. Then the secondborn now will be the one that will come out peacefully. We might come from the same womb, but God created us different.
This one you're not adding tall inside. I don't know whether you want to start praising yourself.
I don't understand anything about this content or this life. Well, like this now, Cambodia, you block it. Tell me, what's my way? Should I follow this way or this way? Mba. Who's out there? Now who's out there? Wait. Muje can see you too. Can see you too.
Ijoma and her family has to explain to me in the women's meeting. She has to explain to me in that meeting how she duplicated my key, how she and her husband has been entering into our room without our permission to steal from us. She has to explain to me in that meeting. In that women's meeting, I must report her. So I said, let me tell you.
You know what? Hey! I know Ijoma is a bad woman, a very bad woman indeed. But this stealing, I never knew that part of her.
Ninkoli, had it been I did not see them with this my two korokoro eyes, then you say maybe I'm lying. I saw them with this my eyes. And me can't wait for her. They were stealing from me. Her husband was carrying my carton of Indomie that I kept tomato teas, Maggi, everything inside. They were carrying it out before I caught them. I must report them. I must report them. They have to explain to me how they duplicated my key.
How? Mom, you caught them red-handed. But I beg of you. You know your mother-in-law, Rosa's burial is next week. Please, for the sake of your mother-in-law, calm down. Maybe after the burial, please, I beg of you, give her this honor.
Ninkoli, this is what people are always saying. Every time people beg me, I will forgive. Sometimes it's not good for someone to be listening to elders like that. If your mother does not have respect, now everybody is allowing her to go scot-free. Me that have respect, I'm the one suffering it. Now see what you are saying. Now if I don't respect it, to look like I'm it's not as if I don't know what to do. I I know what to do. Back then in the home, before I got married to my husband, I used to be a fighter. I will beat each other and beat her husband. Even till now, but I'm just looking at them because of Mama and Papa. Now Mama is no more. Let me look at you, there's no problem.
Allow your mother-in-law to be buried. Oh, calm down for the sake of your mother-in-law. Give her this honor. Oh, just
because of my late mother.
If you open down your mouth, I will shoot this hand inside your eye.
You shook hands inside my eye.
If I hear my name inside, if you drop that line you want to drop, I will do this.
You shook your hand inside my eyes.
Vegetable.
Are you mad? Chalu, are you mad? I'm asking you to tell me how much I was realized from Mama's funeral. You are telling me you shook your hand inside my eyes.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Because they've given you title now, Igbobian. Because all you do is smoke Igbo morning, afternoon, evening, and you don't think well anymore. When we were preparing for Mama's funeral, we had a meeting, we gathered him here. As a first son, what did you do? Did you contribute a penny in Mama's funeral? Did he contribute anything as a first son? Yeah. Now you want the money that was realized in Mama's funeral. You should be ashamed of yourself. The only thing you agreed to do that very day was to hold the ring.